Good evening. So I wanted to give everybody a overview of some stuff going on with our overland setup here. So here's a stand back and look at it picture. So what I really want to go over today is the new Tailgate Go chuck box or mobile kitchen or whatever you want to call it. You can see I got the trailer name logo on there. Stand back and look at it without tripping. The Jeep in the background. So what is this thing? So you've got the orange and charcoal. I did that because obviously the Jeep is orange and the wheels are kind of a charcoal, and it kind of just goes with everything. So I want to show you guys what this does. So see if I can do this. So the first thing we do is you open it up, and you can see carrying it real quick. It's got handles on the side. It's got handles on each end. It's got the bottle opener for your root beer. It's got a holder on each side for a trash bag right here. See my hand, I got spray paint on it. For a trash bag, see from the side, just a hook, folds into the container. It's got 4 legs. It also you can get it with a swing out 2-inch receiver, or you can get it with no legs and just stick it in your truck and figure it out. But this is the outside of it. So let's look at the inside, because this is where this thing comes alive. So it's just open it up, fold it down. Pretty easy, right? And then to open it up, take a step back. That's what it initially looks like when you open it. So you can see just right off the bat, we have 3 silverware containers right here. We got 6 places to put spices. Got a little commercial standard size plastic bin, and you get a deeper one if you want. Same over here. Got 2 of those. Got a couple cutting boards. On the back side, we got storage up here, and it all folds into the lid. The lid is latchable for the wind right here. So you just stick this through. I'm not gonna do that right now because it's not windy. Folds down in the front. You can see there's a cutting board there, or a table, whatever you need. This is where this thing comes alive. So cutting boards, right? They fit around anywhere you want them. And it's not just cutting boards. All of it fits anywhere you want them. So you can see, hang it off to the side. On the other side, it's the same thing. I even got this mount here for my trailer where you can hang it off the trailer. And you can hang any of it off the trailer. You can hang it, so you can see right here on the side, that cutting board actually holds a paper towel roll, and it stays in there to keep all your gear or food underneath from moving in transit. So we pop this out, it's a paper towel holder. And just clips in, cutting board, paper towel holder underneath. So let's say you want to do all your cutting in there and all your serving over here. You can latch these in to here as well, right there. So you can kind of turn this trailer into your serving station, and you can keep the box for cutting. You can put, you can have this one on the inside, and it gives you a little table. Same with this one over here. Oh, my son's running up, it's about to get noisy. There we go. So I also got a sink, and before I show you that, you can see there's plenty of room for food storage underneath that side. Plenty of room for food or whatever storage on that side. And it'll hold a Blackstone griddle. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. This thing also can be used with the cutting boards. On the back you can see the logo. This is the right side up. This fits down right there. You can have cutting boards or serving containers on the back side. And I'll break for a minute and I'll show you how the grill gets out. All right, here's everything set up with the griddle. So it only takes a minute. Like everything else on this modular setup, it just has 2 pins or 2 clips that go in, and it's got this metal support that goes into the bottom, and it goes into the side, and it just holds it up. And it's super strong. So you can cook here. I have a table coming for this side that'll stick out to about here, and that lets me do my 2 burner Camp Chef oven. All right, so you can do your serving stuff out here. Now let's say you wanna hook up a sink, 'cause that's cool. So I'm gonna go over the components with you, then I'll break and then show you how it hooks up. So you have this, it's a siphon. It just clips like everything else, right into there. Then you have the basin right here. And this just goes up. I'm gonna do this one-handed. Hold on one second. There you go. So there's that. So what it does is you can cut the hose, which I haven't done yet, but you just got a pump. You can put on a 12-volt pump if you want, either way. Then you have real water. But that goes down into a bucket on the ground, and you just pump it, get a siphon going, and you have water right here. So this is just one of your standard kind of wash basins that's collapsible. So you can stick this in here, like that. All right, and there's everything set up. Now you can see we got the sink set up. You know, it's at the perfect height here to wash dishes. You don't have to bend over. It's actually a better height than my countertop in my house. This little support here, I don't remember what I paid for it, but it wasn't that much. It was powder coated, and what's cool about it is it holds the accessories. So not only does this thing have plenty of places to put stuff, but it expands that to the trailer or anything else you want to put it on, right? So the box has it on all 4 sides, and the trailer has it. We got the sink, we got the other pieces. You know, you can kind of on the inside of here, if you wanted to, make like a serving area. Put this, where's it at? Over there. And these 2 can go on the side, like this, and then one on the back. So you can put your whole meal kind of inside of here and serve from it. This does not have to be open. It can go down or go up. You can cook, and again on this side over here, I'll have a 2 burner Camp Chef going into a 20-pound propane tank. It's a Y, with a Y. So the propane is actually mounted onto the trailer right here, and I have a 20-foot hose that gets me over to here. You can see also on the trailer, we got a mount for our power tank, which we use to pressurize our camp shower that's going in up here. We got 2 jerry cans, and of course the Wavians, best there is. What else we got on here? I replaced the shocks on this trailer today. All the lighting's been replaced thanks to Midwest Military Supply, our equipment. We got trail rated beadlocks, brand new pit bull tires. It's coming along. Of course, we got the Cvt awning. We got the Cvt mount Denali up top. Got that in gray. Got some quick fists up here holding a Fisker's axe. But the whole trailer's been bed lined. I had a hitch put on here to carry a bike rack. You can see I replaced the shocks down there today. All that was bed lined. So the whole trailer's been coated in bed liner. See up at the top where you see this gap right here, this is going to have a clamp going through. There's gonna be a 50-inch light bar hanging off the back of that. So it's a really neat setup. Looking forward to using it this summer. But I'll get some video when we get this whole thing going. But just do a drop back so we can show the whole thing. There you go. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any comments, like, subscribe, all that fun YouTube stuff. Thanks.